Bob.
This is the dual foamer.
Yep.
It allows you to put on the M-Shine first, and then once you've coated the surface, you can change the pattern, so it allows you to do just one clean pass.
Okay.
You switch it over to Redline, same thing, you can tweak that as you're using it to get it all dialed in. And then once these mix on the surface, they release a little bit of the surface tension. So they're going to allow you to get the bulk of the road film off. It'll take you most of the way to brushless, but yeah, you can only go so far with that too. But
okay.
I think that this is the best way we figured out to do this so far. So once this is on here, you just want to couple it on. This is about as far out as you'd want to go on your wand. Normally I put it right here, but this is...
And we have it on cold water?
I have it on heat.
Heat, okay.
I keep it around 110 degrees because these things don't like it. Foamers can kind of wear out if they're too hot.
Okay.
But that's a good heat to get the soap activated and do a good job. So all you got to do is start at the bottom. It's important you do just enough of a section to where you can keep up with it. You know, you don't want to get ahead of yourself.
Okay.
But this stuff takes a long time to dry, which is a big perk.
Okay.
You just don't want anything drying. So that's your first coat. Now you switch over to Redline.
Okay.
And then you can
Really?
utilize all that.
Huh.
Started with very little soap anyway.
Okay.
We still have very little soap.
Okay.
So it doesn't use very much wand, which is nice. But once you've got it combed up, you pop this thing off here, put your wand back on, and then you're up to business.
All right.
So I usually set this thing aside. And then I take the nozzle, whatever one you use.
Yep.
Pop it back on here. And you just start rinsing.
Wow.
Now it's very important that you hit everything with the pressure because that's going to take the film off.
Okay.
So if you miss any spots, you might still see some areas.
Okay.
But that's the main thing is rinse it really. dynamic with this, and this is a big point of debate with a lot of people. Rinse from the bottom up. That's the strangest thing to most people, and it's always been the industry standard to rinse from the top down.
Yeah.
But when you're foaming, it's different rules. So now, when you go on there, you're going to want the pressure to interact with the foam, and it's also going to give you a gauge as to where you've hit already with the pressure.
Okay.
So you want to start from the bottom up. It doesn't really take much more time.
Okay.
And it just makes for a better result. You can do it either way, but it's going to come out better that way.
Okay.
When you're all pretty much close to done, you'd still hit it from the top down, you know, just kind of from a distance, you know, just to make the gravity kind of take it all off. Another thing for the engine compartments, which handles the heavy greases a little bit more too.
What's that called?
86 it.
86 it?
Yeah, you can foam that one on too. It plugs right onto the same foam.
Now take off grease and oil and stuff?
Yep.
Really?
Yep, that's the idea. But it's a little bit abrasive to the mirror polish. You want to make sure you keep it away from that.
Okay.
You know, it's not like these ones. It's not designed for the whole truck.
Okay.
But it'll do a good job on the undercarriage, the engine itself. It's good floor cleaner too. But
really?
Besides the point. But yeah, that's how you get this area real good.
Okay.
The majority of your time is going to be spent rinsing. Actually, I mean the soap goes on quick.
Yeah, I saw that.
You're gonna spend a lot of time just making sure the pressure hits everything.
Okay.
And that you got all the soap off of there because you don't want to leave any soapy spots behind or whatever. But
and this stuff's safe for polished aluminum.
Well, it's for polished aluminum.
It's for polished aluminum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's the idea. That's the idea. And M-Shine, contrary to all the belief, it's not really just an aluminum cleaner. It's actually a pre-soak for the whole thing.
Okay.
So you're gonna want to put it on the entire vehicle to drop the pH, and then when you hit it with red line, it's going to neutralize, and you're going to have a neutral pH, and that's what's going to help loosen up the road film.
Bob, how do people get a hold of you?
Oh, Chem-X.com or Bob Hoyle, Hoyle on Facebook. That's a good way to get in touch with me. But yeah, Chem-X.com is the online store. Everything ships free, and yeah, it works well. Everybody's been pretty happy.
I appreciate it, Bob.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's how you know
All right, stop. You started out with the M shine,
Right.
and you switched to the red line in between.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yeah. The idea is to mix the two on the surface. M shine goes on first.
Okay.
That's gonna let it get to the mirror polish and get it cleaned out. And then when you go over with the red line, it becomes neutral pH.
Okay. And,
So that's
and now you're using hot or cold water right now.
Right now we're using heat, just mild, about 110 degrees.
Okay.
You don't want to go too hot because the foamers can't take it.
Okay.
You could go full blast if you didn't have the foamers to mix. Like right
Okay.
now, you could crank it up.
Okay. So that took 4 minutes.
4 minutes, nice. Not bad. This is the M-Shine side right here.
Okay.
Gets the
M-Shine.
chrome, gets all of the, some of the junk off the stack.
Okay.
You know, you want to get it on there really good.
So that's M shine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then look at the back of the cab too.
Okay. Yep.
You just switch it over to red line, and then you are good to go.
Switching the red line.
Now, if you miss a spot like I did, you can always go back to your M-Shine side.
Okay.
You know, that's
Okay.
what's nice about the foamer. You got range, and you got adjustability. That's it. That's all done. We just gotta rinse it.
That's it, huh?
Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Pop your nozzle back on there, and you just go to town. Now you're still going to need friction in some spots, like up by the top of the stacks up there. That's going to need a stack brush, you know, to get that soot out of there. But if you got that cement shine, put that right up there, get all of that soot right out.
All right, cool.
So yeah, and sometimes a long wand helps too, but this is more fun this way. But a long wand, you let you get right in there with the pressure.
Yep. Wow.
On the other side too, and get the whatever overspray on the other side.
So Bob, you did this whole side in 8 minutes.
Nice.
Unbelievable.
Right,
How do people get a hold of you again?
Chem-X.com, chem-x.com, or Bob Hoyle on Facebook is my name. And we got room for a few more people on there, so.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's a good place to reach me.
I really appreciate you coming out today.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. It's a beautiful truck.
Thanks, man.
Proud to help keep it shine.
So this is called 86 it, Bob?
86 it, yep.
This is just for heavy grease?
Yep, yeah, undercarriages, paint with stains in it. You know,
but not for aluminum.
Right, that's why I'm not putting it on the mirror polished over there.
Okay.
Because you want to just use it on heavy degreasing applications.
Okay.
Now, with this stuff, it likes a little bit of cling time, so it likes to work for a little while.
Okay.
And then you're going to want to use some good hot heat when you're going to rinse it.
Okay.
But we'll see what it does. It should help clean up the paint a little bit.